Okay, so today we are going to be looking at a smart contract to lock tokens for a specific duration. We'll look at the code first and then we'll do a little demonstration to see how that works. All right, so first things first, with our token vesting contract, we've got our state variables. So we've got the address of the user who will receive the tokens, the timestamp when the vesting clock starts. Now, the tokens will not be able to be received or received until the vesting clock ends its time. So we'll see that in a little bit. And then how long the tokens must be locked in seconds has to do with when the start time and then they're locked. And then the amount of tokens locked in the contract, flag to ensure tokens are not claimed more than once. And this is just help visualize the action in Remix. All right, let's look at the constructor. So we're going to be initializing the contract with the beneficiary, the duration of the locking of the tokens, and then the token amount. Here we set the start time to the moment the contract is deployed, and then it will last as long as whatever number you put in for vesting duration in seconds. All right, our functions. So we've got the get vested tokens function. It's going to involve calculating the amount of tokens currently vested based on time, and then turn the number of tokens available to claim. Of course, this is all if the time is up. If time is up, all tokens are vested, but if time is not up, 0 tokens are vested, and we will return a 0 in our else. All right, the claim tokens function. It allows the beneficiary to claim tokens if the duration has passed. So security checks here, only the beneficiary can call. This ensures the vesting duration has elapsed. This ensures that the tokens haven't already been claimed. And then this is to update the state to make sure there are no re-entrancy or double spending going on. All right, so that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and get some demoing started. This happens from time to time where it won't let me expand. Let's try this 1 second here. Let's just reload. And I think it will let me expand the terminal in the bottom. All right, yeah, so let's go ahead and compile that. Excellent, there we go. Now it's gonna let me expand. Well, with the same code. All right, so first thing we're going to do is deploy our contract. So of course we need the beneficiary, the duration, and the total tokens. So the beneficiary address we're just going to grab from one given to us from the account. I'll paste that there. And we're going to just do a duration of 50 seconds. That should be enough time for me to demo what happens before the time is up. And then let's just do 500 tokens. Let's go ahead and do that. Perfect. We can see all of that looks good. 50 seconds, 500. Excellent. Now, let's say I go down to my contract and I try to claim some tokens. All right, let's claim some tokens. That is not going to work because the vesting period has not ended yet. What if I try to get vested tokens? Get vested tokens is just a call, and it is going to return 0 here because our time is not up. All right. So then all we have to do is wait 50 seconds. So that should be coming up shortly. Boom. So then we can claim our tokens. As we see here, we've got 500 tokens. Voila, after 50 seconds. So that's all I've got for you today for this demo here. And we'll talk to you later.